Have you ever had difficulty breathing while sleeping? Well, next time you do, you might just want to install a CCTV camera in your room to see if it's not one of your furry friends trying to choke you to death, just as one Twitter user discovered. After having difficulty breathing while sleeping, he grew suspicious that something strange must be happening at night while he sleeps. To find out, he installed a CCTV camera to see exactly what's going in his room while he visits Dreamland. After all, nothing can escape CCTV's magic eye, right? Well, confirming his suspicion, the CCTV footage shows his cat hugging his face, trying to choke him to death. Well, we've heard of parents attacking their children and lovers too, but cats trying to kill their owners? That's a first for us. Crazy for such a small animal. However, other animals are also capable of a wide range of strange behaviours that would be confusing to any human, and that's exactly what we'll show you today. Here are some of the weirdest things animals have done, which will leave you wanting more. Be sure to smash the like button, subscribe and click the notification bell for more amazing content. Let's begin. These dogs seem to be paying unwavering attention to the gadget in the hands of the human behind the camera. Why? Well, for some weird reason, they seem to be determined to conquer the water coming out of that sprinkler. It may be a sprinkler to you humans. To them, it's a battle they can't afford to lose. You know what we humans do when we hire a babysitter to look after our kids so we have time to do whatever we like? Well, seems this is not so unique to us after all. Look, the dog here is the babysitter, and as you can see, he's doing a great job of it. But we're not so sure of what the cat is trying to do. By the way, we also can't guarantee anyone is getting paid here. Are you looking for a sure and guaranteed way to prevent your cat from hanging out and stealing food from your countertop? Try aluminium foil. Somehow, cats just don't like aluminium foil. They are repelled by it. We really can't tell you the exact element that works in this product, but take it from us, it works. Why have a tiny bite when you can have the whole darn thing? Well, it seems this zebra also understands that logic, and the mission is executed perfectly.
He took your bucket? Oh my god!
Call that galloping the victory dance. Human 0, zebra 1. Although it seems the zebra's part of the brain that tells it how to get the bucket off its teeth is not fully developed yet. We can finally agree cats are the supreme overlords. They always seem to find a way to make everything and everyone answer to them and use them to fulfill their own self-interest. Humans, vacuum cleaners, it doesn't matter. By the way, if you haven't noticed yet, this gadget ceases to be a vacuum cleaner. It's now officially an overboard. We all appreciate an act of kindness, be it done to humans or animals. It always melts our hearts and gets us thinking of doing a similar act for others, just like this one done by the staff at Naples Zoo in the US. However, just like when you invite your friends and neighbours over for dinner, you really can't guarantee that everyone will come along with their table manners. Seems like one of these grizzlies doesn't really know what table manners are. It seems cats also have trust issues. You know, most of the time they touch their water with their paws and smell it before drinking, just like this cat is doing. I guess they're trying to confirm their human is not trying to do something fishy. Wait, I've got to confirm this human's not trying to poison me, just because of the small scratch and bite marks I left on his body yesterday night. If you've always been worried about getting caught up with a bot or catfish on Instagram, wait till you find out you've been chatting and exchanging comments with a monkey all along. You know how you can't resist pushing your friend into the water when they stand at the edge of a pool? Well, seems like this sea lion also understands that. With the way it looked at the trainer afterwards, I'm sure it's telling the instructor, "Mission completed, where's my treat?" To which the instructor quietly obliged. Well, seems the girl is taking the joke quite well. What do you do when you're bored and need to have some fun? Fix a sparring match with a kangaroo and have your friend record you, of course. With the look of it, it seems today's training is about perfecting the grappling technique. When we humans get into the shower, we sing, text, think about our lives and do some weird stuff. However, I'm not sure we've gotten to the level where we do a handstand yoga pose in the shower, except for elephants. At least this elephant. This guy's got a huge bag of tricks. No wonder it's a circus owner's favourite. What do you think your pet would do to have a little treat? Well, for this zebra, it has its nice set of teeth and a Hollywood smile. If you ask us, that's more than enough. Come on, human, give him what he deserves. You can never be sure what's going on in the head of your dog. For this dog though, he seems to have been thinking about practicing what his human has always done with him, and this horse is the victim. Have you ever wondered what monkeys do to relieve stress after a busy day? Well, there you have it. They also play with poppets. Since monkeys are known to operate smartphones, it's only a matter of time before they also start watching satisfying videos on TikTok. What should you do when you get the zipper on your jacket stuck and there's no one around to help? Well, go to a horse for a hand, or a mouth, because it seems they enjoy that kind of job. You ain't looking for a guaranteed job well done, right? Because we can't guarantee this guy will have any working zipper left afterwards, especially with the kind of aggressiveness this horse is using to work it. We've always been amazed by the various kinds of things you can find in a woman's purse, but a meerkat? We'd never have thought of that. Maybe he's just looking for a dark place like the burrows he used to have in the wild. Or maybe he's just looking for a makeup kit that he left there the night before. Who knows? A tiger's total body mass consists of over 70% muscle. How did they come about gaining that much muscle? Well, look no further. They go to the gym, as you can see. Look, don't you think he's doing a pull-up exercise? It's sure going to be a thrilling show for the zoo visitors and a form of exercise for the tiger. Who said animals don't have good hygiene? I guess it's been a while since this parrot took a decent shower and couldn't wait any more for his human to take the initiative. So here he's taking matters into his own hands. As kids, we all love the sound that comes out of a music box as it's tuned. However, this pug right here looks hypnotized by it. It's easy to think he's invested in the music, but the pug has a different thing in mind entirely. If we listen hard enough to animals, maybe we'd understand them better. This dog right here is believed to be causing a lot of problems for the owner by chasing all the sheep around. Then the owner decided to introduce the dog to the sheep. Maybe they'd find common ground. And you bet they did. Guess the dog only wanted a ride all along. And this dog right here is not looking for anyone to carry his weight, nor is he looking for a glider before he can enjoy the snow. He simply unlocked the next level of genius by discovering his belly can also double as a glider. Guess he has something in common with us humans when we decide to mess around. What happens when you keep a sugar glider indoors with nowhere to climb and glide from? Well, this one right here is trying to improvise with this helium-filled balloon. He must have watched an episode of the animation Up. It's always seemed like no one can rival and dominate a cat in a home. Well, looks like we may be wrong, as this cat right here has found a worthy opponent in this hedgehog. And the hedgehog doesn't appear to give a darn about the natural order of things. Sorry, furry friend. Seems we have a new overlord in the house. Except in this instance, though. See what we mean by dominating overlord? It seems it's just this furry, hissing creature's hobby to order people and dogs around. This one right here has turned his dog into a cab driver. You can rest assured no one will be earning any wage nor tips here. And that's all for today. Let us know in the comment section which one of these animals cracked you up the most. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, be sure to smash the like button, share and subscribe. Goodbye.